6. Dark manipulation tactics people use to attract you. People use these dark psychology to use you in relationship. So, how to spot these manipulation? In this video, we explore 6 dark tactics used to attract unsuspecting individuals. You can make an entire video in one click. These are the best AI tools for faceless YouTube videos. And NVIDIA AI is not free. So this tool is very impressive and an alternative. Many people are earning dollars just posting AI automated videos on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Now it's your turn. I am not going to say to all YouTubers like, create a script with ChatGPT, and then make AI images and merge it in any video editing tool. We do not have much time, right? So don't waste any time, and let's get started. So the first tool name is Fliki AI. Search it in Google, and go to this website. Now you can see this. Click on Start for free. Now you can see this dashboard. Here you can explore many AI features of this tool. Idea to video, script to video, blog to video, product video, and more. Not only that, you can make audio too. And here you can make YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, and presentations. So now you got it, that this AI tool is insane. So let's see its video creation. So, I click on the idea to video because we don't have time to create ChatGPT script separately. Give you a prompt like I give here. 5 hacks to seek people's attention. These self-improvement or psychological tips videos are now viral on social media. Choose your video duration. You can make a 1-minute video for free. Here, you can upload any image or video you want to add to your video. So now click on Next. Here you get various tones like playful, informative, motivational, witty, and more. I choose playful. Choose the purpose of your video. I select social media and who your audience is. I choose students. You can skip this too. Now you can see this interface. Here you can choose the aspect ratio. It can be YouTube shorts or long videos. So I am making a short video. I selected 9:16. Choose your preferred language. You get AI images here with different styles. I chose the comic style. Here, you can change something in the script if you want. Now click on Submit. So our video is being created now. Oh, it's ready.
5 hacks to grab people's attention. Tired of blending in like a beige sweater on laundry day? Here are 5 super effective hacks to grab attention wherever you go. Classrooms, parties, or even on social media. You're about to become the spotlight your friends never saw coming. Let's go. Confidence is magnetic, folks. Straighten that back, keep your chin up, and stroll with purpose.
This is a really amazing and attractive video. So this is the easy process. You can do any topic video in that way. It can be for YouTube or TikTok, anything. Here you get some settings to change according to your needs. Now click on Download. So let's see our next AI tool, which is named Hypernatural AI. Go to this website. Sign up with a Google account. Here you can see many features like B-roll for a script, starting with an idea, animating a story, and more. So explore it. Now I will show you how you can make videos in the easiest way. So I chose to start with an idea. Here, write your video topic like I give randomly, 5 signs you are loyal. And now it is creating the script. Here you can select a voice as you prefer. You'll get both free and paid voices, but the free ones are quite good. Select where you want to post that video. So I automatically chose the shorts and reels because I'm making a short video. Here, you can choose your video style. Select your caption style. And let's continue. Click on Generate Video. Okay, our video is ready to watch. Let's see.
Each of us, yes, you too, carry something more powerful than the North Star. It's the commitment compass, an invisible instrument lodged within our hearts, guiding us with unwavering loyalty. This tale is more than your regular feeling of sticking to your promises. It's a rhythm echoing through our bones. Our first waypoint on this journey is companionship in calamity.
Wow, it's just amazing. The video quality is very attractive and engaging. Now click on Export. Click here to download, and your video will be ready to go viral. Like and share if you get value from this video, and subscribe for more AI updates.